Welcome to the new issue of Promet Traffic and Transportation. We begin with a study on advanced persistent cyber threats and their mitigation in transport systems, followed by research on reliability in marine system maintenance using predictive modeling. A probabilistic framework for traffic congestion analysis is proposed, and a novel method for assessing rotary intersection capacity is introduced. Urban accessibility and traffic equity are explored through multi-source data, while innovative statistical methods are used to improve freight wagon maintenance. We also feature studies on accident severity modeling, the economics of bus propulsion systems, and public bike-sharing service quality. Further articles examine driver behavior with mobile phones, autonomous vehicle navigation using AI, and adaptive traffic flow prediction. The issue closes with in-depth research on the logistics sector, including green efficiency in China, medical waste routing, and CO2 emissions in seaports. Explore all this and more in the latest issue of Promet Traffic and Transportation, available now on our website.